Withdrawing money from your Capital One account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to complete the transfer. Step 1. Log into your Capital One account. Access your Capital One account by visiting their website or using the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in securely. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once logged in, locate the transfers or move money section on the dashboard. This is where you will initiate the transfer to your bank account. Step 3. Select your bank account. Choose the bank account you wish to transfer money to. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, you may need to add it by providing the necessary account details. Step 4. Enter transfer amount. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review the transfer details, including the amount and destination account. Once everything is accurate, confirm the transfer to complete the process. You should receive a confirmation notification once the transfer is successful. In conclusion, following these steps will help you easily withdraw funds from your Capital One account to your bank account. Always ensure you have the correct account information to avoid any issues.